guys, in the mood for some pancakes? Today's video I'm going to make some easy buttermilk fluffy pancakes. So please stick around and watch this video. First, we're going to start by combining all our dry ingredients together. In this bowl, I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, and now we just mix this all together. In a different bowl, I'm going to go ahead and combine all my wet ingredients. I'm going to add 1 large egg, half tablespoon of vanilla, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. We're going to give this a nice mix. And then we're going to add 1.5 cup of buttermilk. Now I'm going to make a well in the center of the flour and add the wet ingredients. And you don't want to overmix this. You just want to mix until everything is combined. It's okay for this batter to still have some lumps. So this is it. So now you want to go ahead and heat up your non-stick pot. I'm using a non-stick skillet. So we're just going to put this on medium low and allow this to heat up. Nicely heated. Now I'm going to add a dab of butter. So I'm using a 1/4 cup measuring cup, so you have equal sized pancakes. And we're gonna wait till they form up for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side, and then we're gonna flip, because you don't want to flip them too soon, because that will become a big mess. So now we're gonna do the big flip. Bam! Oh, look at that, beautiful! And it's so nice and fluffy. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. So now we're just going to put this on our plate and repeat the process until all the pancake batter is finished. So you want to kind of like spread out the butter. And here you have it, guys, my delicious fluffy pancakes.